Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cook. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, subscribe so that you get these awesome recipes. Today we're going to do a ginger parfait. And I've got my lovely assistant to help me out. So jumping right in, I've got 2 ounces of graham cracker and 2 ounces of ginger snap cookies that I've just taken to a blender and pulsated down so that it's a nice little crumb. I'm going to start with just a regular glass, and if you would, go ahead and cover the bottom with some of that. I'll help you out. Go ahead, dump it right in there. And all we're doing is getting a little coating on the bottom. Then we have some Greek yogurt. This happens to be honey Greek yogurt, same thing. Take a couple scoops and put it in. Perfect. All right, another scoop just to get it in there. You can push it down. Yep. And then we've got some fresh berries. This happens to be blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries that we've sliced up. 6 ounces of the raspberries, 6 ounces of the blueberries, 12 ounces of the strawberries. I've taken 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 4 tablespoons of water plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix that all together and then drizzle that over to help macerate the juices, if you would. Take a scoop. Put it right down there. Yep. A couple of berries in there. Okay. Now we're going to repeat. Try not to make a mess. All right. A little bit of yogurt. Okay. Push that down in there. Okay. And then we'll do a couple more berries on top. Like so. Then, to make it kind of a treat, we're going to take some ready whipped topping. This is not a lot of sugar, not a lot of calories. To shake it up. I'm just using regular ready whip. Like that. And finally, to make it look pretty, I've got some crystallized ginger that I've just chopped up. And we'll just set that up on top. Nice, easy, somewhat healthy dessert. Really the only thing that was bad in there is the whipped cream. And like I said, it's a low calorie whipped cream. So, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below, ring the bell for the alerts. Check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.